Have you ever walked into a home and felt that this is the one? Well, this is the one at 333 East 80th Street, apartment 1A. A renovated open kitchen sets the scene as you feel embraced by this home. New stainless steel appliances, a breakfast bar and storage. You will know this is the new home for you when you walk into the well thought out living room, which flows into a separate dining area with enough room to expand the table and have everyone over. The current homeowners have used the second bedroom as a guest room and home office. The bathroom was renovated and has its own window. The primary bedroom is large enough to easily fit a king-size bed like this one. Did I forget to mention extra storage that has been added, seamlessly tucked away throughout the apartment? Speaking of storage, 333 East 80th Street has a large common storage area with private areas for a very small fee. There is a live-in super, a bike room, a laundry room, and a part-time doorman. What 333 East 80th Street is most proud of is the brand new roof deck, which is open year-round, and that is a good thing considering the winter we just had. The Crosstown Bus, the 2nd Avenue Subway, parks, and the East River Promenade are so close they are practically in your backyard. East 80th Street is one of the most vibrant streets on the Upper East Side. But when you're finished with the neighborhood for the day and you just want to come home, or you're stuck at home with a cold like I am today, apartment 1A at 333 is just waiting for you. I'm Debra Hoffman from Brown Harris Stevens, and contact me for a personal viewing.